staff is leaning heavy against the weathered wall. The giant who once held it stands weary but stands tall. I see the silver in your hair, the stories in your eyes, the map of every desert, the weight of open skies.
You're looking at the river, you're looking back at me,
handing over the keys
to a kingdom yet to be.
The shadows of the fathers are merging with my own. The boy who lived in hiding is a man upon the throne.
The transition is sacred. The fire finds a home in the blood of the lineage, in the marrow of the bone.
He's ready for the cross and he's ready for the rain, to carry all the glory and to shoulder all the pain. The sovereign is rising, the line is drawn in stone. He will never walk the valley or the mountaintop alone.
The lessons are the armor, the prayer is the blade, for the master of the fortress that the ancestors made.
Be strong and courageous,
do not be afraid.
the foundation is solid.
The price has been paid.
For the one who walked before you is the one who goes within, through the static and the fire where the new worlds begin.
Stand firm in the power, walk bold in the light.
The morning is breaking on the edge of the night. I take the mantle from you, I feel the sudden weight. I'm standing at the threshold, I'm locking every gate. I'll protect the next in line, I'll guard the inner sanctum for the years of hard-won wisdom. Father, let me thank them. I am willing, I am able, I am fearless and afraid, because the God of all the ages is the God of my today. The bunker is a temple, the home is holy ground. In the silence of my spirit, the directive has been found.
The torch is passed in secret, a flame that cannot die, reflecting in the mirror, looking back into the sky.
The mother and the father, the spirit and the son. The battle isn't over, but the victory is won. He walks into the future with a steady, certain pace. The inheritance of courage is written on his face.
A shield for the broken, a terror to the dark.
He carries in his chest the everlasting spark.
I will fear no evil,
For he is with you.
I will lead the faithful,
For he is within you.
I will fear no evil.
The sovereign has awakened. Be strong and courageous,
Do not be afraid.
foundation is solid.
The price has been
For
paid.
the one who walked before you is the one who goes within, through the static and the fire where the new worlds begin.